Canva is great for designing your own YouTube channel art, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload the channel art template and use it in a blank canvas. The first step is to unzip your YouTube channel art template. Then open Canva and use the search option to find the YouTube channel art design template. Use Alt or Command tab to switch back to the previous window. And then drag and drop the PNG version of the template. When the file is uploaded, drag and drop the image to the top left of your canvas. Then select the image and change the transparency. And the final step is to name your brand new design. Congratulations, you now have an easy to use template in your Canva account. For your convenience, I've tweaked the channel art template so it also contains some room for your channel icon and the external links. You can download my version free of charge and no opt-in is required. Just use the link I added in the description of this video. Subscribe to learn more and ring that bell if you don't want to miss another update. And remember, Wantabiz is here to help you start your own business.